Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things. I like to vlog vacations, and I also like to vlog and review restaurants around the world. So with that being said, today I have for you Rocksbox. So Rocksbox is a jewelry subscription service, and it's a renting and buying service. It's $21 a month. If you would like to get more information about that, I do have the playlist linked below. But this is what the box looks like. And also my link to sign up is down below. If you would like to give it a try, your first month will be free. And not only will your first month be free, the $21 will get applied to a purchase of yours. So if you want to do that, get on it, because I'm pretty sure this is the last month I'm going to subscribe. So there you have a Rocksbox, and you open it up, and that's what it looks like on the inside. Here you have your jewelry care card, and then you have your little pamphlet. Sometimes these say different things. I don't remember what the last one said, but this one says Ready, Set, Sparkle. And you open it up on the inside, and it tells you the products you get and the prices that they will cost you. And then you pull out your little burrito. So getting into this, wow, these feel really heavy. So you have your return shipping label, and when you are ready to return the stuff, you just pack it all back up in this box and put it in the bag and stick it in the mail, and off it goes. So the first thing I am pulling out here is a Bia ring in rondite from Dusk, and the retail price is $60 and the cost to me is $51. It comes in this little baggie. This is not velvet like the other ones tend to be, but let's go ahead and pull this out. That's just a cute little dainty ring. It's I can tell you now, it's not really my style, but if I put it on, it looks like that. I mean, it's just super dainty. I don't even know if the detail can be picked up in this, just because the stones are super pale and my skin is super pale. Let me do this. So can you kind of see the detail better with that? Anyway, there's the ring. The next thing I am pulling out is a Jag cuff in gold by Slate, and the retail price is $55 and the member price would be $46. Jag, because Jaguar. But here, let's do this again. But that is what that looks like. It has little green eyes. And wow, this is what's really heavy. Okay, wow. There we go. So that's what that looks like on. Again, with my skin tone, I am not quite sure how that looks. It's just not my thing. Okay, the next thing we have is the Aurora Necklace in Crushed Pearl by Ava Rose. The retail price is $125 and the cost to me is $106. Now I can tell you the weight on this is substantial. That is pretty. That is more my cup of tea. I like that. Let's see. Hold on a second. Honey! So this is what this looks like on. I really like that. I think that that is very pretty. I don't know if it's worth $106, but it's definitely pretty. This is something I am going to have to think about because that is a little steep. But we'll see. That is my Rocksbox, and we'll see you next time. I hope you have a great day. Bye. Hi guys, I forgot to add my disclaimer. Next month is my birthday month, so I will not be able to upload as frequently as I have been doing. We spend a lot of time out of town or doing things. I will still upload everything. I just might have to upload multiple videos in a day. So happy birthday to me next month. Have a great day. Bye.